Hello, welcome to Science Shop. Today we're going to be looking at work done calculations. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do when we're looking at work done calculations is the formula for work done itself. And it comes in this handy triangle, just like any other triangle that you'll find in physics. So we've got work done, which is measured in joules, got force, which is measured in newtons, and we have displacement, which is measured in meters. Sometimes what you'll find is instead of displacement, they have distance, but it's basically the same thing. To work out work done, all you've got to do is cover up the W, and you've got force times displacement. To work out force, you cover up the F, and you've got work done divided by displacement. And to work out the displacement, you cover up the displacement, and you've got work done divided by force. So let's now have a quick look at a couple of calculations. Okay, so for my calculations, I'm going to take it from this worksheet. I'm going to start off with number 3, which is here, and it says how much work is done on a small car if a 3,150 Newton force is exerted to move it 75.5 meters to the side of the road. Okay, now with almost every calculation in physics, we've got basically 4 marks. The first mark is for the formula. The second mark is for the substitution. The third mark is for the calculation itself. And the final mark is for the unit. So let's use this to solve this question. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my formula, which is work done equals force times displacement. So displacement is written with a triangle X, otherwise known as delta X. Now all I've got to do is substitute my numbers in. So it says on the question that we've got a 3,150 Newton force, so 3,150. You multiply it by the displacement, which is 75.5 meters, and you end up with, and I need a calculator for this, 3,150 times 75.5, which equals 237,825, and it's work done, so the unit is joules. So you've got 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and a mark here. Dead easy. Okay, let's try another one. Let's look at question number 6, which is down here. And it says, an elephant pushes with 2,000 newtons on a load of trees. It then pushes these trees for 150 meters. How much work did the elephant do? Okay, so first of all, we're going to start off with our formula, okay, which is work done equals force times displacement. Okay, remember we've got the delta X here. Now what we've got to do is substitute in the numbers. So my force in this case is 2,000 newtons multiplied by delta X, which is going to be 150 meters. And then we just calculate this. 2,000 times 150, which equals 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course we need the unit, and the unit in this case is joules. Dead easy. I'll see you in the next video.